What's up, guys? We got a new project in the shop today. Another barstool racer. This thing's actually got some real nice parts on it too. It's got a Honda motor, hydraulic disc rear brakes, nice wheels and tires. But being that I already have a barstool racer, I think we're going to chop this one up, make some type of a street car with a metal custom body. So let's get started. Alright guys, this is the basic size and look I'm going for. I'll probably end up doing some type of pickup truck body. I like the idea of the engine behind the seat. It looks kind of long now, but I feel like once the body's on it, it won't look so long. Check back for the next one. Next time we'll be actually connecting the two sections of frame back together and probably working on steering.